this is our dinner guys na hinanda ng ating mister. Yan. Mais, tono, pomodoro, uova, and mozzarella. E poi, oliva. Yan. Kain tayo guys. This is my dinner. Salamat sa aking asawa. Na bravo. Yan. Kasi may pasyente ko kanina kaya siya naghanda na ng dinner ko. Yummy guys. Yan. Have a blessed Monday everyone. Thanks for watching guys. Like, share, and subscribe. It's dinner time. Kain tayo guys. Bye.